Look how you look.
So dark.
I don't know why. Okay, let's just do it. No matter. Hey guys, we coming to you with a. You come up this way, son.
How black
We're
I
having
am.
some technical difficulties. Uh, but we coming. Only got so many minutes. I'm on my tablet.
Peep the hairstyle though.
We
The
doing
freeform.
taste. What is it called?
Taste test.
Review. Taste test review something. So we got Kool-Aid yogurt, tropical punch, and cherry. I have 3 spoons. And then we're gonna do deep dish pizza.
Jinx
Lay's,
knock on wood.
and Reese's popcorn. It has drizzled popcorn. Did I see pretzel or something somewhere? That's all it says, drizzled popcorn. The popcorn and the chips were at Sam's, and the yogurt is at Walmart. Teresa, we got Teresa. We gonna get her to do it too. Stop, Braylon. Which y'all want to taste first? The yogurt.
Nah, we're gonna hit that eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch
You
a
got to
tiger
hurry
by his
up.
toe. If
I
you
ain't
holler,
got that
let her go.
many.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mama told me to be the very best one, and you are not it. Okay, yogurt first.
The yogurt. Okay, we're gonna try the cherry first.
Cherry. Who's gonna be the first one to taste it?
I don't know. Braylon, wait, because it got to be stirred up.
Stirred up. Stirred up.
Stirred up.
94.
Who was 94?
Come on, sister. It smells like Kool-Aid.
Let me smell it.
Come down and smell it.
Hold on, wait a minute.
You put it on your spoon. Not a whole lot, because you might not like it. Sister, come on, wait. Yeah. Come behind me.
This smell like the Dr. Mitchell's toothpaste.
Why you get all that? Go over there and get the paper towel.
He done made a mess.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. That's personal.
You still made a mess.
I know, but it's personal. Yeah.
And it's finna waste again.
Can I go ahead and lick? Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Okay.
Come on.
1, 2, 3. It's tart.
Mm-mm.
You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
It's tart. You like it? It's okay.
It's like dentist
won't-
toothpaste.
I won't buy it again. Here, let's go on and do the tropical punch. That was the cherry. Teresa said no for that one.
Mm-hmm.
What you say, Brady?
In the middle.
In the middle.
Mhm.
I say
It tastes
in
tastes like dentist toothpaste.
I say in the middle too.
Got a hair sticking
You should
up.
got another spoon to stir it up.
I stir it up.
No, a spoon been in your mouth.
Yours has teeth.
We need one to stir it up. Stop.
Stir it up. Here, let me stir it. Let me stir it.
Uh-oh. Sorry. Okay, stir it up.
Stir it up.
Take that spoon and put some on your
Good
spoon.
beebs only. Period. Period.
Look, keep it.
Don't put that in there, you don't stick it in your mouth. In front of the camera.
This look like a Reese's Kiss. Don't this look like, oh, it done fell down, but don't this look like a melted Reese's Kiss?
Then some on my spoon.
Seems
Okay.
like we eating baby food. Wait, can we eat it now?
Yeah.
Mama, stop.
I just want to smell it.
That's sour.
Ew.
It's like medicine.
Yeah. No. No for me. I don't really care for yogurt, but it's a no
Just
for
eat
me.
it when you have to.
Yeah. Like when I'm taking antibiotics.
I like it. I like yogurt.
Braylon, either eat it
I
or
did.
spit it out.
I did eat it.
I like curd milk.
Ew.
What's curd milk?
Here, you can,
Throw them away.
yeah.
I said.
So there's no,
Throw them away.
those are no for me. Sister, what you say? No.
Hell no.
Brandon, what? Really?
Braylon.
That was.
It's time for you to go to bed.
It really is.
No, it's not.
Okay, we're gonna do the deep dish pizza lays.
Yes, heard.
Excuse me. Good.
In the first quarter, Bible says 16, you're 0.
Smell it. It smell like pizza.
It smell like chips.
It smell like pizza. Here, smell
Sister,
it.
her smelly. Put your lips
Smell
on the
like
bed.
Lay's chips.
Smell like Lay's chip. Well, get it one.
Get one.
Don't taste
Pass
it
the
yet.
communion
Get your
bread
mama.
down. Get the communion
Get your
bread.
mama.
Get the communion bread. Get the communion bread. Y'all ready?
Get all in the way.
In Jesus' holy name, amen.
Sister, we can't see you.
You're right, yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
In Jesus' holy name.
Y'all know I got to suck my chips.
Sorry.
I taste the pizza toppings.
I taste pizza too. Teresa said,
Because she can bite it. Use a front teeth.
It's a no.
It's a no for me.
Use a front teeth.
I am.
Maybe.
I'll get another one.
It kind of remind you of the color kind of remind you of a barbecue chip.
Now I can't even get it.
See? Barbecue. But you can taste the toppings. I can taste like marinara sauce. Put in my cup, please. Really? I have water in my cup. It kind of cleared my palate.
We're trying to clear your palate. Your mouth.
Clear your taste buds. For the next one. Oh, I can smell peanut butter.
I can't smell it.
Excuse me.
Oh.
I can smell peanut butter.
I can't smell it. Ooh.
Dang that girl twitch over there.
Uh-oh. Look. Were you twitching?
Yeah.
That girl here in the Holy Ghost.
Excuse me.
Smell like doo-doo.
How you know what doo-doo smell like?
No, it don't. It smell like a Reese cup.
Didn't you say
Like a peanut butter cup.
on me? That's what you
Yeah.
gonna say. Ooh, mine got the peanut butter on it. See, look, y'all, look how much peanut butter daddy.
You gonna taste it?
Y'all see I'm a peanut butter daddy. That stuff go hard. Look like little worms.
See, this how it look.
Did you
Peanut
eat
butter and chocolate.
it? Whoa.
Get that off the floor, please.
What's on the floor?
Okay.
Ain't nothing on the floor.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, man.
1, 2, 3.
God, that peanut butter go hard.
Tastes like Reese cup popcorn. Reese cup. They like a Reese cup. Watch out. You really can't see your butt. I'm gonna eat it because I bought them, but
I'm gonna eat these.
I prefer these over those.
I put those over here.
Say it right.
I put these over those.
This is like
That one had a lot of stuff
sweet
on
and
it.
salty.
They had a lot of stuff on it.
If I could eat them, I would prefer those over the chips.
I taste marinara, I taste cheese, I taste
If you can eat the
pepperoni.
popcorn,
If I could eat it, I would choose the popcorn over the chips.
Teresa will choose the popcorn over the chip.
If you get one of those, I can taste all of them. I taste the cheese, the marinara sauce, and the pepperoni.
Yeah, on the pizza. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
So it's a no for the yogurt, 2 for the popcorn, 1 for the chips.
My
And-
opinion.
The popcorn to me remind me of the sweet and sour popcorn. I mean, no. Sweet and salty.
It is marinara sauce. You see them little green things?
And this is the chips, deep dish
I take these.
pizza. Uh-oh.
That is marinara.
So,
See them little green things?
marinara is not green.
I know it's red with the green little dots on it.
Really brave.
I need some more.
Okay, so I have a disclaimer.
Oh! So I don't know how it goes.
The grocery haul video does not have a sound. Somebody commented and said they couldn't hear me, so I tried to fix it, but it is what it is. I had put it on private, and then when I told them, the person that told me, they said don't put it on private, let it run. Some people like to, watch videos with no sound, so I let it run.
I'm one of those people.
So, it's running.
It is what it is.
But thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for watching that video. If you watch it, comment and let me know that you watched it. But that's it for our review on, I don't know what you call it, chips and yogurt and chips. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video though. Braylon, quit crunching in my ear.
I'm not all the way up there.
So, y'all have a good morning, good afternoon, and good evening whenever you're watching this. And I will love you forever. Talk to you later.
College.
Bye. Mwah.